Guys, how are you, and welcome back. Hope you guys are all having a wonderful day. So today we are going to be unboxing this baby right here. For those of you that don't know what this is the Jeffree Star mystery box. It's the largest one for February of 2022. This is the Valentine's Day box. There were two separate boxes, and I'm kind of glad I didn't get both, because if anybody saw the spoilers, let's just say there's some repeat items, so I'm happy to have just gotten one box. This is the largest of the two, if I haven't said that yet, and it's supposed to have a value of around, I believe, $340 or so. So let's jump right in. So the first thing that I have on top paper. Paper is the first thing I have on top. Let's move that away from the mic so that's not annoying. Is the Jeffree Star skincare line that he's going to be coming out with. If you guys want to scan, there's the barcode right there. Now let's get into the good stuff. So this is kind of what I see right on top, guys. The first thing I see is actually something that I wanted. I have this. This is the Lip Vault of the Nudes. This is the volume 1, I believe. I'm going to check in a second, but I believe this is volume 1. I have volume 2, and it looks like a slightly different color. So it says open here for nude. You open it up. Yes. And these are all of the colors. So it has a lot of his best-selling colors. As you can see, some of these need to be shaken as they've been sitting for a while. A lot of people have talked about how they've been a little dry when they've gotten them. So I hope that's not the case. I hope that they just need to be kind of shaken up, and then, hey, no big deal. Totally get it. It's probably been sitting in a warehouse, as long as it's not super old. The next thing I see, and this is the medium bundle, guys. I know that there are different things that are in different sizes, so this is the medium variation. I did get a medium size shirt. Let's open it up and see what it looks like together. So on the front, it has the typical Jeffree Star iconic. Oh, this looks smaller than his regular mediums. So it has this iconic Jeffree Star symbol with the heart around it. And on the back, we have this, and it just says Heartbreaker, Jeffree Star Heartbreaker symbol. Very cute. Love the color of it. Putting it up here, because at this point we've got flannels, jackets, jean jackets. Just throw it right up there. The next thing that I see here, okay, let's just go in order of the things I'm grabbing. This is the Jeffree Star highlighter palette. Now, I'm excited. This was the exclusive. I do not believe it came in the smaller of the two. I think you had to get this one to get it, unlike the other times that he's released, like Star Ranch and what was the other one? Weirdo palette. I believe it came in all 3 boxes. I could be 100% wrong. It could have come in both of them. I'm having a little trouble getting this open. So this is what the front of the box looks like. And then this is what the highlighter palette looks like. It says there's Skin Frost. It has a mirror back. And these are the colors. Let's do some swatching. So I'm just going to go around 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. So I didn't get that one a second time. So these are the colors. Okay, really beautiful. Let's give them a swatch right here. That one's going to be pretty. That as well. Oh, that's beautiful. So I think these could definitely be good highlighters. Let's actually play for a second. Why not, right? So I'm going to just dust off anything that would be on here. I'm going to go into the first. Oh, this wants to just keep leaving on me. I'm just going to go into the first one right here. Give it a couple swirls, and we see what my highlighter looks like right now. It's kind of like white and gold. So we add that on top of it. And that is the shift. It's got like a pink / iridescent, where this one is more light. You can see the difference. It's a little bit more blinding than this color. So I'm just going to do it again and put it over here. Obviously, it would be a lot different and even more bold if I decided to do this. And then really pretty. I think very wearable. Still really heavily on my hand. I think they'd be really pretty eyeshadows, eye toppers, and then I actually think that they might be good on top of an actual blush. So let's take this color right here. This is Frosty Hearts. Let's just tap like 1, 2 into this. Oh yeah, so pigmented. Oh, I might screw this whole look up. Oh no. Okay, so definitely have to spread this out here. Definitely, I was gonna say I think it would be a good blush topper. That color for me is gonna be really dark, but great for other skin tones because I have a lighter skin tone. So definitely a topper, and like I said, we definitely have the whole element of all three colors being shadows as well. So love this. Just gonna throw this back in here real quick so it doesn't get damaged, just in case. And then I'm gonna grab the very next thing that I see out of here, and that is this palette. Now, this was a controversy. Everybody got this palette, whether you got the smaller palette, or I'm sorry, smaller box, or whether you got this box. Everybody seemed to get this palette. If you don't know what this palette is, this is the Nude Palette. I don't want to say the name just because you can see. Amazing palette. This was one of my first like favorite palettes of his, and glad to have it. It's just that I was hoping for the pink one. It would have fit like so perfectly with this theme, but hey, it is a mystery box. We didn't get the pink ones. The next thing I can grab is this in Control Freak, and I don't believe that I have this. This is his The Gloss is what it's called. I'm fighting, guys. No, I actually don't really believe I have this. Oh, this one is like kind of stuck. Okay, I think I got it. If not, I'll put you guys on pause for a second. No, I think I have it. So yeah, this is actually one I don't have, which is awesome because I feel like I have all of his glosses. So I will take it out since I do not have this. And I'm just going to place it right here. So as you can see, it's just really a light pink, very pale pink gloss. I love the smell of his glosses. So this is a win because I actually do not have this. I did not have the lip bundle. I did not have the frost, obviously. I do not have this. We're picking some winning things here. The next thing I see... Oh, okay. I have 5 single shadows. My hair... if you haven't seen yet, I have some videos up talking about my health if you guys want to click back and check them out. And I'm going to be doing more updates with my health as well. So I am going to kind of just give you that heads up. If you're new here, please subscribe. It would really mean the world to me. And if you go back to videos, you'll see why it can literally change my life. I am battling a rare disease and do need some support as I do want to do this full time. But I love you regardless for watching. So that's not, you know, what I'm saying. I appreciate the watch in general. But I saw a lot of people were getting like, I think 3 or 4 of these and I have 5. So I'm not sure if that's a good thing or a bad thing. I'm not sure if that means I'm lacking somewhere else, but this is Divine Intervention. This is Private Island. I'm sorry. I was like, is he talking like he's a sailor? This is a pirate freak show. And that is more of like a black, dark gray. This is Open Range. And this is like a copper or bronze shimmer. And then this is 1985, which is interesting because it's the year I was born. Okay. Anyhow, I'm not going to open these and swatch them for you guys just because I have all of his palettes except for Pink Religion and Pricked, and I feel kind of bad wasting. So these are actually going to go in a giveaway as well as the Orgy palette, and I'll talk about that a little bit at the end of this. So I'm doing a Valentine's Day giveaway, but slash 500 subs, which I think I should be able to do within like the next month that it would stop. So I am hoping. So if you guys sub, I'm gonna have my Instagram linked down below. I'm asking you guys to follow me there and just write on any one of my pictures that you pretty much saw this video and that you are entering to win, and this way I'll be able to go through the comments and screenshot them all and see everybody who actually did what I, you know, needed you guys to do, and then I'll be picking one at the end of the month. So it doesn't matter how long, I'm going to be screenshotting all of them and keeping them in a folder. So my Instagram is down below. If you do not know, it's I am Jessica Grey, Grey with an underscore, the lower one. So it is linked down below. So you just follow me on there and write under any of my pictures, hey, whatever you want to write, and just that you want to be entered in, and in a month's time I will be doing the actual giveaway. So the next thing we have in here is the ring light that actually attaches to your phone. This is really cute. I've seen some pictures of it. It's just a really cute ring light. It attaches to the top of your phone and it gives you a ring light for selfies. So actually really helpful for somebody that's doing something like this, because what you see like here real time is great, but to be able to show you guys like close up pores and stuff like that, it's even more helpful. So I'm really happy to have that as well. So far this is a win of a box. The next thing I have in here is, okay, so this is my first double. This is Let Me Be Perfectly Clear. This is gonna go into the giveaway. So right now we have the Nude Palette, Let Me Be Perfectly Clear, 5 single shadows. I'm going to give you guys one of those palettes. I'm going to add single shadows, and then I'm going to give you guys one of those palettes that holds all of those. So the next thing I have is Improper, and oddly enough, I think this is the color, excuse my reach, guys. I think this is the color that's on. No, actually, I'm incorrect. This is No Shame. So I am wrong. I do have this. I mean, I'm sorry. I do not have this. So what I'm going to do is open it up. We're going to swatch it together. And I'm actually going to keep this. Wow, I'm like winning other than... So it's actually very close, if you guys see. Very close in color. It's a pretty mauve purple. This one also needs to be mixed. No big deal. So we're just going to put that right here. Very close to the outside color that I have. Let's add a little bit. I do have like an ombre going on. So if you can see, it kind of just ombreed out. Really like that. They actually are going to work really well together. So I'm really happy to have that color as well. I'm just going to wipe my hand real quick so it doesn't get all over other stuff. So the next thing I have in here, okay, so this is also going to go in the giveaway. This is a lip scrub, and this is in, I believe, pink grapefruit. So this is also going to be in the giveaway, folks. The next thing I have in here is Cutthroat Love. Now I believe, I didn't watch too many videos. I only watched like 2, I believe. No, actually 1, I think. This is, I believe, another like exclusive item. So let's check her out. Let's pull it out, check it out, trying not to break it, as I am a fan of actually like keeping the boxes and stuff that go with it. I don't know why, just a collector thing. So it's really pretty. It is a, okay, red, orange, pink, mauve. It's interesting. It's like a bunch of colors that I can see in here. Let's pull it out and actually see. So let's read it. Let's place it right here and show it up close. So this is the color. Let me make sure I'm getting it in the light. Kind of like a blood red is the truest thing that I could say. Now if we were to move this out a little bit, blot it out on the lip. Also remember, all of his lips are eye safe. That shears it out to more of like a pink red. That's interesting. So I feel like you could layer this up and it would be a really deep red, almost like his designer blood, or the other blood, I forget what it's called right now, but, or I think you can kind of shear it out and make it like a deep pink red. If you hear my dogs in the background, I am sorry. Okay, so the next thing I have in here is the Magic Star in yellow. So this is the concealer. I do not have this. I'm not going to open up because concealers are one of those things that once you open them, that's it. You start the timeline, and I have a few open. I do have his in light yellow, and it does brighten my eye. Yellow would also be good for my skin tone to brighten the eye, so I will be keeping that as well. The next thing I have in here, I don't have this, is Mannequin. It is the liner Mannequin. So we can open this one up as well. Did you guys get boxes? Did you love your boxes? How did you feel about them? How do you feel about the Valentine's Day ones? See, so many people with like mixed reviews, right? Because everybody was kind of expecting one of the newer palettes. Let's be real, the pink one would have been perfect for the Valentine's Day thing, but we didn't get that. So this is Mannequin. So it's going to be a really pretty nude color, like a light nude color. So you would, actually it's not too light. I would say it was like a medium to light color. And I do like it, so I do not have it. Oh, awesome. Okay, so I also got Celebrity Skin in the Velvet Trap, and I actually don't have this either. I don't know how, but I scored. If you guys have watched my other videos, I never get this lucky, guys, ever. I've got one more thing, and it's kind of trying to fall on me in the box. So this is this color. So oddly enough, they wouldn't go badly One pulls more a little bit one way, so you'd want to go a little bit deeper of a so it's a cool nude, but I think you'd want to go a little bit deeper in a liner with this one. So last and certainly not least, I am a mirror girl. I have so many of his mirrors. I would say I was definitely collecting at one point. I've got some rare ones, and this is a nice one. I mean, I don't think we have to pull this out. We know what his mirrors look like. I kind of don't want to even remove this. It does say it's called Heartbreaker. This is a Heartbreaker mirror. Love the back. I was kind of hoping for like more of like a candy heart vibe, and I get that it kind of is, but like I was thinking more of this. I do feel, and I've heard other people say that I feel like this is kind of a downplay of what Jeffree does, right? Like with his mirrors, but hey, I'm happy to have it. Grateful for that, and grateful that most of my items, I was very blessed that I didn't get multiple dupes of, and if I do, they're going to be great to go on a giveaway. So like I said, how this giveaway is going to work is do me a favor, find my Instagram below, and then you're just going to go follow any picture you want. Just write your name, you know, where you're from, whatever you'd like to write, and that you want to enter for the contest. So not every product in here is going to be Jeffree Star. I'm going to add in a few other things, but obviously, as you can see, for the most part, it is Jeffree Star giveaway. If you are not a Jeffree Star fan, you're just going to let me know that, and I'm going to put together a different box for you, and I will be sending that out. So you don't have to enter and like, say you just watch this video and like you're just here hanging out with me and you're not a Jeffree Star fan, you can let me know, and I'm not going to disrespect you. I'll definitely add something else. So it is open to everybody. I do want to say that it's only open to the US because there's I don't want to say weird, but with everything going on, a lot of the shipping is different than it ever was before. So for right now, I just have to play it safe and do it that way. I do apologize, and in the future, things will change. So whether it's a month's time from now, or I hit 500 followers. If I hit 500 followers, I likely will take, you know, at that point, stop it and then send it out. So the quicker you guys kind of get to 500 followers is also incentive, because then it'll end and whoever's in at that point, you know, will be a part of it, or a month's time. So yeah, please go follow and enter. It means a lot to me. It's not just a follow. If you go back and watch 2 videos, it would mean a lot to me. I have been vlogging today, got up, was able to work out as much as I'm allowed to, did that for 2 hours. I'm really just trying to be in a better mental space, and keep moving. There's a lot that's happened in the last week, and you know, I've been vlogging for you guys as much as possible, and I do a lot of my updates actually on my Instagram, so it's kind of like a double thing if you want to be a part of the family here. I love you all. I am still gonna get back to working on the inside and life coaching, as well as the outside. If you guys have any things that you guys would like help with, or things that you'd like me to talk about, let me know, as when I get some surgery, I'm gonna have a lot more downtime to focus on those type of videos. So, you know, it's coming, guys. I'm slowly making it come full circle. I love you guys. Thank you guys for all the support you've shown me in the last couple weeks, and I will see you on the next one, guys. Mwah. Love you so much.